Guys, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Today it's a lunch vlog. Alright, I'm gonna be making some chicken sandwich today, guys. I got some leftover chicken. It's oven fried chicken. You can use whatever fried chicken you got left over in your fridge. This was made yesterday, so I'm gonna make some sandwiches for lunch. I got 3 sandwiches here, people. I'll bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see what's going on the kitchen table. All right, so I got a little bit of spicy mayo here that I made with my own hot sauce, guys. Went right on my bun. I also got avocado, I got Havarti cheese, I got tomato, lettuce, all the good stuff going on it, guys. Get these all butter up. Now you gotta use up leftovers in the fridge. This is a good way of doing it. Lunch. It doesn't matter what time of the day, whatever you feel for. Look, I make perfect amount. Right, and I got my chicken here already reheated in the oven. Went right on the bun. Alright, that's looking good. So, let's get some avocado on this baby. Charlie, you know what? Let's put on the cheese first, guys. Cheese. Right on top of the chicken. Then my avocado going on. You guys can put it on however you like. There's no special way. Right, there we go. I got some tomatoes, lettuce, look at that, guys. This is lunch already, so fast. I got some leftover home fries here, potatoes. I'm gonna use these up as well. It's sweet potato and regular potato. I'd made for breakfast potatoes this morning, so we're gonna have this for lunch. Bam, look at that, guys. Lunch is ready. You guys gonna eat with me, all right? Let's get it on the plate. Look at that. That is looking lovely. Just gonna bring it a little bit closer so you guys can see it. Wow. That's lunch. Alright, guys, we're gonna eat in a minute. Stay with me. Don't go anywhere. Okay, guys, so this is what's on the kitchen table today. I'm gonna start eating right now. I'm gonna dig right in. So, okay, guys, so this is what's on the kitchen table today. I'm gonna start eating right now. I'm gonna dig right in. So I just wow, guys. Wow. Sandwich is so good, guys. It's almost done, but I'm getting into it. Really good. You guys gotta try this out. You guys gotta try out your leftover fried chicken in your fridge. Throw it in the oven. Make some sandwiches for lunch, alright? Catch you guys later. Thank you guys for watching and catch you on the next vlog.